So we have given here 3 chairs and 4 tables cost 7,540. If the price of a chair is 220, find the price of a table. So here we have given a price of one chair. Price of one chair we have given is Rs 220. So we have here 3 chairs. So price of 3 chairs is equals Rs 220 into 3, that is Rs 660. Like as the cost of 3 chairs and 4 tables plus 4 tables is 7,540. So 7,540. So we have already calculated the price of 3 chairs, that is 660 plus 4 tables cost is equals Rs 7,540. So cost of 4 tables is equals Rs 7,540. This 660 in plus moving opposite side becomes minus. So the cost of 4 tables is, on subtracting, we get 6,880. So the cost of 1 tables would be Rs 6,880 divided by 4, that is Rs 1,720. So the cost of the price of one chair or table, one table is Rs 1,720. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.